Today we will discuss present tense. The present tense is a verb tense that describes a current activity or state of being. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Types of present tense. The present tense is of four types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense, also known as present simple tense, denotes a stative, habitual, or eternally true action. Generally, the simple present tense is used to indicate an action which happens always, regularly, every day, daily, normally, generally, usually, occasionally, sometimes, often, rarely, frequently, nowadays, naturally, seldom, constantly, never, every week, every year, once a year, on a week, at times, at present, now and then, or all the time. The simple present tense is used to describe facts and habits, to describe scheduled events in the future, to tell stories to make your listener or reader feel more engaged with the story. Structure of present simple tense include subject, that is third person singular number, plus verb in simple present form plus s or es plus the sentence, or subject, that is all other kinds plus verb in simple present form plus sentence. Each type of tense can be used in affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentence. In an affirmative sentence, the base form of the verb is used. This is the same for all the subjects except for he, she, and it, which require the addition of es to the end of the verb. For example, I get up early in the morning. He reads good books. Negative sentence. While making a negative sentence, we use does not for the third person singular subject and do not for plural subject, and I are followed by the first form of the verb. For example, he does not exercise regularly. The girl does not call her mother. Interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentences, the question word with do or does comes before the subject. For example, do I play video games? Do you read a lot of books? Now let's see how the forms of verbs change in different types of sentences. Examples include I sing. Do I sing? I don't sing. We run behind the bus. Do we run behind the bus? We don't run behind the bus. They are good students. Are they good students? They are not good students. Jennifer writes well. Does Jennifer write well? Jennifer does not write well. She eats mango. Does she eat mango? She does not eat mango. They love dancing in the rain. Do they love dancing in the rain? They don't love dancing in the rain. Thank you for watching this video. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss other forms of present tense. So please like, comment and share this video for more informative videos.